Good boy. After a year of traveling, today I'm finally flying back to Canada. I'll reunite with my family, see my dogs again, and share my daily life in Canada with you guys. Join me. Leon and I just landed at the airport in Canada.
Welcome home, lovey.
And our mom and brother came to pick us up.
Leon is coming behind. Welcome home, lovey. Let's cross over because we're going to just walk to the other side. Is it nice to be home?
Yeah. The trees in there missing.
Give your brother a hug now that I can see.
This is my other brother. He's the youngest. It's a 2.5 hour drive home. Sit. Good boy. You want the ball? It's my first day back home and I really missed my dogs. Run! So I played fetch with one of them. Drop. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Want the ball? Sit down. Sit.
Because I'm afraid this one might make your tummy run.
Is it sour?
No, it's fermented. It's fermented.
I'm eating dinner with my family on the patio, but my youngest brother is working. This is my oldest dog. His name is Dexter, and we've had him for many years. You can see all his white hairs. Good morning, everyone. Me and my mom are going to the gym, so let's bring you guys there. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Oh, you're dirty. Okay, let's go. The car is pulling out of the garage. Now the garage door is closing again, just by the click of a button. Almost forgot my water bottle. Let's go. So they're resurfacing this road. You can see there all these machines. And they usually fix roads when there are potholes and other things like that. And this is tar. These vehicles are carrying tar in the back of their tanks.
Alberta's best country, proudly Indigenous, truly Albertan, always.
So in Canada, they could only do road construction only during the summer, because in the winter and stuff, you can't because there's too much snow and it's not good to do construction. So there's only a small window of time where they could do road construction or fix the roads or anything like that. Okay, we have just entered the town. A town is smaller, it has schools, shops, and local government. A city is bigger, it has hospitals, universities, airports, and many businesses. I've got to do some cardio since I'm a little out of shape. Okay, we just went to the gym. I hit a pull day. If you guys want to know what that means, watch my video I did on the gym. And now we're heading to town. I think we need to go check the post office box. And what else?
I'm just going to go and check the mail.
Okay, so just the mail then. How much?
150.
150? Okay, so we are at the fuel pump now. You have to tap your card or insert it to pay. At these pumps, you need to prepay before fueling. Once you've paid, you select your fuel grade. Then open the fuel cap and start filling up the car. The part you insert into the car is called the nozzle. This is a self-service pump, which means you need to fuel the car yourself. Most gas stations here are self-serve. You can see there are different fuel grades such as diesel, regular, mid-grade, and premium. There you go. Okay, we finished fueling up and now we're going to the grocery store to do some shopping. Right here is the fridge, and I'm gonna open the fridge. See, this fridge is filled to the brim. What is there to eat here?
There is some steak. Yeah. Oh, lovely steak left from last night. Steak and salad for you, mister. And
Okay, so we just went to the gym, me and my mom, and now I'm just warming up. Ooh, a nice breakfast here. What are these?
cherries from our garden. I'm going to boil it down and make us something out of it. Cherry juice.
Cherry jam.
Cherry jam. I already made some cherry syrup. Cherry syrup. There's a whole
Honestly,
bunch.
cherries aren't really my favorite
I
type
know.
of fruit. I like to eat them just like that, but here is what I'm eating, oxtail. So I'm heating up the food because it was in the fridge and it was cold because we had it for dinner last night. Now it's the next morning, so I'm heating it up to have for breakfast because it's 10 a.m. now.
I think it looked better last night.
Hey, looks don't matter. It's how it tastes, and this tastes good. And as you guys know, this right here, you guys have seen this before, but it's just like cheese in here with syrup. But it's like a special type of cheese that's not like, doesn't have a strong flavor. It has almost no flavor.
I don't have enough cheese, enough milk today. I'll make some tomorrow. I like to make a big batch if I make it.
Now I'm gonna finish warming this up, and then I'll eat it.
Okay, you want to put the kettle on for me with water? Just put some water that I can make Leon a cup of tea and take it for him.
I would have rather been sick.
Yeah, then when you're traveling, it's the worst when you're traveling. Especially if you have deadlines and you have
How do you
to
do this?
get on a flight and you
Yeah,
have to
good
get
thing
on.
good thing I didn't have any deadline. What's wrong?
Okay, so you just have to be gentle and open it like that. We're going to use it until it like can't be used anymore.
I think you're almost there. Okay guys, I need to get ready. I'm gonna go and chase some cows on the highway, so let's go. Okay, good morning everyone. Now we're headed out to go see some cows being chased or herded. They're being herded. This is my dad helping our neighbor with a cattle drive. Dog. Hey guys, we are home. Unfortunately, we couldn't fly with the drone there and see with the drone because Leon forgot the SD card, so no drone footage. Okay, I'll go clean the outside then. Just with this paper towel.
There's a scraper too, a wooden one. Scrape the barbecue with that first and then clean the paper towel.
Ooh. Okay, so this is a barbecue. Did you say there was a wire brush? And right now, I'm just scraping the grill to clean it. So I'm cleaning the grill. Usually you would have a wire brush, but there's only this. So I'm gonna scrape it first with this piece of wood and then use this paper towel to wipe it. Okay, so I think it should be clean now. Let's get this off. So this paper is burning. It's on fire. But I'm not too worried because there's a lot of rain out. You can see it's raining. It's raining. And there you go. Pass the chicken. So we got the chicken now. And let's put it on. Let's put it on the barbecue. My mom seasoned this chicken very well. The chicken is seasoned from head to toe. Or you could say from drumstick to wing, if you want to be funny. So we just closed that and now we're gonna let it cook. Hello guys, good morning. We out here. And we're about to go to the gym. You have all your gym stuff? Let's go to the gym. So she's just putting her bags in the back of the vehicle. And I am now gonna open the passenger side door. And now I'm getting in. Okay, as you guys know, we gotta open this gate every morning, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I am opening the locked gate. This is all farming equipment. Today I'm training legs at the gym. I love and hate leg day, but I have to do it. My mom and I made a quick stop at the grocery store to buy a few things for the house. I'm carrying this handheld shopping basket. Let's go. I have to bring this this part to my dad, and he is in the shop right now. So let's go over there and bring it to him. Oh yeah, and look at these cherries. Look at these cherries. Oh yeah. Solar panel. Light bar. Now I'm in the shop where my dad is working on his camper van. Oh yeah. Damn, this thing looks kind of good. Got the dirt bike, lawnmower. Let's try some of these cherries. So, got the cherries from the house. The perfect sourness. I thought it would be more sour, honestly, but it was perfect. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Good boy. Good boy. What's this one? Dexter. Out. Right there. You want it? You want it?
So old he is, he still wants to play ball.
Today we're going to be opening up my camera gear from Amazon. As you guys know, I had to buy new camera gear and it just came in today. So I have my camera here, my lens here, and then some other accessories like memory cards.
Essentials.
All of this stuff around is called bubble wrap. And it's just used to absorb impacts if this box is hit. And this is also going to be the last video I shoot on an iPhone because now I have my camera in. So my two last videos had to be on iPhone, but so yeah, you guys can see this is the bubble wrap, and I know it's a lot of fun for kids to like pop this. You have the manual. Usually every electronic or a vehicle or something expensive comes with a manual, a user's manual. But we don't read that. We just watch YouTube videos. Yeah, so you can see this is the new camera. It's a Lumix camera. Yeah, here we go. Here's the camera.
Put the battery in.
Pretty sure this battery's probably dead, but I could try it out here. Leon and I just landed at the airport in Canada. This is my other brother. He's the youngest. So I played fetch with one of them. I'm eating dinner with my family on the patio. Now the garage door is closing again. So they're resurfacing this road. These vehicles are carrying tar in the back of their tanks. A town is smaller, it has schools, shops, and local government. A city is bigger, it has hospitals, universities, airports, and many businesses. At these pumps, you need to prepay before fueling. Then open the fuel cap and start filling up the car. The part you insert into the car is called the nozzle. See, this fridge is filled to the brim. What are these?
Cherries from our garden.
I'm heating up the food.
Okay, you want to put the kettle on for me with water?
To go see some cows being chased or herded. And right now, I'm just scraping the grill, the passenger side door. Okay, as you guys know, we gotta open this gate every morning, so. Now I'm in the shop where my dad is working on his camper van. It's called Bubble Wrap, a user's manual. The chicken is seasoned from head to toe. I have to bring this, the top 3 countries you guys were from in the last video are India, Bangladesh, and Vietnam. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram, and this was my favorite comment from last video. Remember to leave a comment again. And remember, you will be fluent in English one day.